Say hi, Aunt Jellybean.
Hi, Aunt Jellybean.
Say hi, Uncle Jason.
Hi, Uncle Jason. Let me see it.
Let you see what?
Let me see it.
Wait. Say I love you, Uncle Jason.
Bye, Uncle Jason.
Say I'll see you soon.
I'll see you soon.
What do you think you're doing?
I'll play the computer.
You're playing on the computer?
Uh-huh.
You really think so? Julian.
Push the button?
No, don't push the button.
Push the button?
No, don't push the button.
Press one?
No, don't do that either. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma.
You're a dork. Julian, I love you.
I love you. Let me see it.
No. No. Okay, say bye-bye.